Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of public service. You may have heard the term before, but what does it really mean? Public service is a concept that touches everyone's life. Whether you realize it or not, from the water you drink to the roads you travel, public service is all around us. In this video, we'll break down what public service is, why it matters, and how it impacts our daily lives. Let's start by exploring the basic definition and the core idea behind public service. At its core, public service refers to activities or jobs carried out to benefit the community or society as a whole. These services are usually provided by the government or organizations working for the public good rather than for profit. Think of things like education, healthcare, public transportation, and emergency services. The main goal is to improve the quality of life for everyone, not just a select few. Public service is about meeting the needs of the people and ensuring everyone has access to essential resources. Public services are most often provided by government agencies at various levels, local, regional, and national. However, nonprofit organizations and sometimes private companies also play a role. For example, your city's sanitation department, the local police force, and public schools are all examples of government-provided services. Meanwhile, nonprofits might run shelters or food banks, and private companies may operate public transport under government contracts. All these entities work together to serve the public interest. Let's look at some everyday examples of public services. When you ride a city bus, attend a public school, or visit a public park, you're benefiting from public service. Other examples include police and fire departments, public libraries, and waste collection. These services are designed to be accessible to all, regardless of income or background. They help keep our communities safe, educated, and healthy. Public services are the backbone of a functioning society. Public service plays a crucial role in building strong, healthy communities. It ensures that everyone, no matter their background, has access to basic needs like clean water, education, and healthcare. Public services help reduce inequality and promote social justice. They also foster a sense of belonging and trust within society. When public services work well, everyone benefits and communities thrive. That's why investing in public service is so important for the future. It's important to understand the difference between public and private services. Public services are provided for the benefit of everyone and are usually funded by taxes or government budgets. In contrast, private services are offered by businesses for profit and are often only available to those who can pay. For example, a public hospital serves all citizens, while a private clinic may only serve paying customers. Both types of services are important, but public service ensures no one is left behind. Public services don't come for free. They're funded mainly through taxes collected from individuals and businesses. Governments use this money to pay for things like schools, roads, and emergency services. Sometimes, public services also receive funding from donations, grants, or fees. The goal is to make sure essential services are available to everyone, regardless of their ability to pay. This funding model helps create a more equal and fair society. Governments play a central role in organizing, funding, and regulating public services. They set standards, ensure quality, and make sure services reach everyone. For example, the government decides how much funding schools receive, sets safety standards for public transport, and monitors the quality of healthcare. By overseeing public services, governments help protect the public interest and promote fairness across society. Many people choose careers in public service because they want to make a difference. Jobs in this field include teachers, police officers, firefighters, healthcare workers, and social workers. These roles often require a strong sense of duty and a desire to help others. Working in public service can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Public servants are the backbone of our communities, working every day to improve lives. Public service is guided by values like integrity, accountability, and fairness. Public servants are expected to act in the best interest of the community, making decisions that benefit everyone. These values help build trust between the public and those who serve them. When public servants act with honesty and transparency, it strengthens the foundation of society and ensures that services are delivered fairly. A key goal of public service is to promote social justice. This means ensuring that everyone has equal access to opportunities and resources regardless of their background. Public services help close gaps in health, education, and income. By focusing on the needs of the most vulnerable, public service can create a more just and inclusive society. Social justice is at the heart of why public service exists. You might not always notice it, but public service is woven into your daily routine. The clean water you drink, the safe streets you walk, and the reliable public transport you use are all made possible by public service. Even things like street lighting and garbage collection are part of this system. These services make life safer, healthier, and more convenient for everyone. When disaster strikes, public service is often the first line of defense. Emergency services like police, firefighters, and paramedics respond quickly to protect lives and property. Public health agencies coordinate responses to disease outbreaks, while social services help people recover and rebuild. These services are essential for community resilience and safety. Education is one of the most important public services. Public schools provide free or affordable education to children from all backgrounds. This helps level the playing field and gives everyone a chance to succeed. Teachers and school staff work hard to create safe, supportive environments where students can learn and grow. Education empowers individuals and strengthens communities. Healthcare is another vital public service. Public hospitals and clinics provide medical care to everyone, regardless of their ability to pay. This ensures that people can get help when they need it, which is essential for a healthy society. Public health campaigns also educate people about disease prevention and healthy living. Access to healthcare is a basic human right, and public service helps make that possible. Public safety services include police, fire departments, and emergency medical teams. These professionals work around the clock to keep communities safe from crime, accidents, and disasters. Their presence helps maintain order and provides peace of mind to residents. Public safety is a cornerstone of a well-functioning society, and these services are available to everyone. Public transportation, such as buses, trains, and subways, is a key public service. It provides affordable and efficient ways for people to get around, especially in cities. Public transport reduces traffic congestion, lowers pollution, and makes it easier for everyone to access jobs, schools, and services. It's an essential part of modern urban life. Utilities like water, electricity, and waste management are essential public services. These services ensure that homes and businesses have the resources they need to function. Reliable utilities are critical for public health, safety, and economic development. Governments and public agencies work hard to maintain and improve these vital systems. Public parks, playgrounds, and recreation centers are also public services. They provide spaces for relaxation, exercise, and community events. Parks improve quality of life, promote health, and bring people together. These spaces are open to everyone and help create vibrant, connected communities. Public libraries are more than just places to borrow books. They offer free access to information, technology, and educational programs. Libraries are safe spaces for learning, creativity, and community engagement. They help bridge the digital divide and support lifelong learning for people of all ages. Social services support individuals and families in need. This includes programs for housing, food assistance, mental health, and child welfare. Social workers and counselors help people overcome challenges and improve their quality of life. Social services are a safety net that ensures no one is left behind. Environmental services protect natural resources and promote sustainability. This includes waste recycling, pollution control, and conservation programs. These services help keep our air and water clean, protect wildlife, and ensure a healthy environment for future generations. Environmental public services are essential for a sustainable future. Technology is transforming public service. Online services, digital records, and smart infrastructure make it easier for people to access information and resources. Governments are using technology to improve efficiency, transparency, and communication. This digital shift helps public services reach more people and adapt to changing needs. Public service faces many challenges, such as limited funding, growing demand, and changing technology. Sometimes, services struggle to reach everyone or maintain high quality. Public servants must find creative solutions to these problems, often working with limited resources. Despite these challenges, the commitment to serving the public remains strong. Innovation is key to improving public service. New ideas and technologies can help make services more efficient, accessible, and responsive. For example, mobile apps can help people access government services, while data analysis can improve decision-making. Innovation ensures that public service keeps up with the needs of society. Citizens play an important role in public service. By voting, volunteering, and giving feedback, people help shape the services they receive. Public participation ensures that services reflect the needs and values of the community. When citizens are engaged, public service becomes more effective and accountable. Transparency means that public services operate openly and honestly. Information about budgets, decisions, and performance is shared with the public. This builds trust and allows citizens to hold public servants accountable. Transparency is essential for good governance and effective public service. Accountability means that public servants are responsible for their actions and decisions. If something goes wrong, there are systems in place to investigate and correct mistakes. Accountability helps ensure that public services are delivered fairly and effectively. It also encourages continuous improvement. Ethics are the moral principles that guide public servants in their work. Acting ethically means being honest, fair, and respectful. Ethical behavior builds trust and ensures that public services are delivered with integrity. Ethics are the foundation of a strong and effective public service. Diversity in public service means representing people from all backgrounds, cultures, and experiences. A diverse workforce brings new ideas and perspectives, making services more effective and inclusive. Public service should reflect the communities it serves, ensuring that everyone's needs are understood and met. Public services support economic growth by providing infrastructure, education, and healthcare. These services create jobs, attract investment, and help businesses thrive. A strong public service sector is essential for a healthy, stable economy. By investing in public service, societies lay the foundation for long-term prosperity. Infrastructure like roads, bridges, and public buildings is a key part of public service. These projects make it easier for people to travel, do business, and access essential services. Well-maintained infrastructure supports economic development and improves quality of life for everyone. Public service is closely linked to democracy. In democratic societies, citizens have a say in how services are delivered and who provides them. Public servants are accountable to the people, and services are designed to reflect the needs and values of the community. Democracy ensures that public service remains responsive and fair. Public service looks different around the world, but the core idea is the same: serving the common good. Some countries provide more services than others, and the way services are delivered can vary. Learning from global examples helps improve public service everywhere and encourages innovation and best practices. During crises like pandemics or natural disasters, public service becomes even more important. Governments and agencies must act quickly to protect people and provide support. Crisis response requires coordination, flexibility, and strong leadership. Public service helps communities recover and rebuild after difficult times. The future of public service will be shaped by new challenges and opportunities. Technology, climate change, and shifting demographics will all play a role. Public service must adapt to meet changing needs, using innovation and collaboration to create better outcomes for everyone. The commitment to serving the public will remain at the heart of this work. Anyone can get involved in public service. You can volunteer, pursue a career in public service, or participate in community projects. Even small actions, like helping a neighbor or joining a local committee, make a difference. Public service is about working together to build a better society for all. There are countless examples of public service making a positive impact. From improving literacy rates to reducing crime, public service changes lives. Success stories inspire others to get involved and show what's possible when communities work together. Celebrating these achievements helps build pride and motivation. Young people play a vital role in public service. Through volunteering, internships, and youth programs, they bring fresh ideas and energy. Encouraging youth participation helps build future leaders and ensures that public service remains dynamic and relevant. Youth engagement is key to a vibrant, forward-looking society. Older adults also benefit from and contribute to public service. Programs like senior centers, healthcare, and accessible transportation help older adults stay healthy and engaged. Many seniors volunteer or mentor others, sharing their experience and wisdom. Public service values the contributions of people at every stage of life. Accessibility means making sure public services are available to everyone, including people with disabilities. This includes ramps, accessible transport, and information in different formats. Accessibility is about removing barriers so that everyone can participate fully in society. Inclusive public service benefits everyone. Rural communities have unique public service needs, such as access to healthcare, education, and transportation. Public service helps bridge the gap between urban and rural areas, ensuring that everyone has the support they need. Tailoring services to local needs is essential for strong, healthy, rural communities. Urban communities rely on public services like mass transit, sanitation, and emergency response. High population density creates unique challenges, such as traffic, congestion, and pollution. Public service helps manage these issues and ensures that urban life is safe, healthy, and efficient for everyone. Cultural programs, such as museums, arts centers, and festivals, are also public services. They enrich communities, promote creativity, and celebrate diversity. Public support for culture helps preserve heritage and fosters a sense of identity and pride. Cultural programs make communities vibrant and welcoming. In summary, public service is about working together to meet the needs of everyone in society. It's the foundation of healthy, safe, and thriving communities. Whether through education, healthcare, safety, or culture, public service touches every part of our lives. By understanding and supporting public service, we can all help build a better future for ourselves and generations to come.